I woke up and saw that the sky is getting darker.
Look at the weather. You see how dark it's getting?
So I was in a rush and I took my breakfast, I get dressed and I'll go out, but already it's raining, but I think we have still time. By the way, my bike, my Apache 150 just passed 2000 kilometer in odometer, so that could be a 2000 kilometer special. So let's go out and enjoy this awesome weather, also dangerous.
জলাবদ্ধতা ভাই, জলাবদ্ধতা।
এখন আবার তো জ্যাম লেগে গেছে।
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed like another season.
Hey man. কাপুনে মানে জায়গা চা খেতে হবে। ড্রেনের পানি এক হয়ে গেছে তো সব শেষই না। Look at the road, guys. It's filled with water, and the water is not really clean. It's filthy water because beside the road we have the drains.
Next to them, just a child, just like another season. You came into my life, just like another season. Next to them, just a child, just like another season.
Outside it's still raining, and now I'm gonna take my shower because I need to take a shower. The water feels warmer inside because the outside water is really cold, and this water is really warm. Do you hear the thunder rumbling outside? It's great. Bathing is done. I'm super cold. Freshness super loaded. It was a awesome rain shower and I'm feeling super fresh right now. It's 2 p.m. so it's lunch time. I will take the lunch and then I will take my tea about my future plan of this vlogging because I am getting serious at it and there is a reason behind it and we'll talk about it. I forgot to hit the record button while I was taking the tea. So I missed the shot. I wanted to do this kind of daily vlog type videos, daily vlog, but for some circumstances it's not happening. Like yesterday I went to countryside, my village, and I took my cameras with me, but for the circumstances, for the things there, I wasn't able to shoot any videos. I haven't got any chances to take the videos. So this is how I planned yesterday versus how it went. I planned like I will go to the city, and by the way guys, yesterday was 1st May, so it was May Day, so I thought let's make a video about May Day. So I went to the city. I took some shots with my action cam mounted on my helmet. Then I thought I will go to the country and I will see how the laborers or how the working people are doing there. Are they taking rest? Are they taking a day off, or are they just doing their daily things on this 1st May or May Day? So I thought I would do this kind of a little bit of documentary type, little bit of summary type, how the life of the laborers, the circumstances or the situation wasn't like that. So I went to the countryside village at my grandma's house, and I took the lunch there. It was like 2 or 2:30 p.m. and then I thought I would take 30-minute rest, and then I will go out and see how the working people are doing in the countryside or in the village. But after the lunch I wasn't able to go outside because the house of grandma was full of relatives. So we spent some family time together. Most of all, I actually spent a lot of my time with my funny uncle who always talks funny. So this is how the yesterday went. I had a plan to do a video yesterday as well, but I couldn't. So I thought let me share my reasons. By the way, this is a tech channel, basically a tech channel. I used to do tech videos, but the matter of the fact is tech videos takes a lot of pre-production time, a lot of shooting time, not a lot of shooting time, but lot of pre-production time, because you have to do some kind of research, analysis, analytics, and then in the post-processing it takes also a lot of time, because you have a lot of things to edit to make a good tech video. But as you have know already, after starting schooling at my university, that my time was really shrinked, so I got barely time to make a tech videos. So my upload schedule was delayed, so I thought let mix it up. I will do daily videos like a summary or a story of my life, what's going on with my life, and I will try to make it interesting, obviously, and whenever I'll get time I'll make the tech videos. So that was it, guys. It's 3:30 p.m. I will now play a little bit of game because it's a nice day off. As you can see, my GTA 5 is already running. Anyway, that's it. Stay tuned, it's awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ta-da.